Welcome to this BoldDesk live chat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a custom launcher image for your live chat widget. Customizing the launcher helps you match your brand identity and create a more engaging experience for your customers. I start by logging into the BoldDesk admin portal and navigating to the chat module. Then open Live Chat under Channels. You can either add a new widget with the Add Widget button or edit an existing one. For this demo, I'll edit an existing live chat widget. To match my coffee e-commerce site, I'm replacing the default chat bubble with a custom image. So I click Widget Customization, open the Launcher Appearance dropdown, and scroll to Custom Launcher Image. Custom images support JPEG, JPG, or PNG files with a maximum size of 2 megabytes. You can also change the button text, for example, "Need assistance?" and fine-tune the button position with offset values, and place the launcher exactly where you want it. To upload, simply click Change Image. Select your file from your device browser and hit Upload. Once uploaded, save the changes, then head back to your website. You'll see the new launcher image live, perfectly aligned with your brand. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more BoldDesk tutorials. Thanks for watching.